And today we're here to see Dr. Pelto at Central Mass Podiatry. Let's go see what he's up to. So he's room 202 right here. Can you please point me to Dr. Pelto's office?
Right over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You want me to open the door for you?
Ah, yes, please.
Hey, there he is.
Hello, Dr. Pelto.
Hey, welcome to the office.
Thank you. You want to give us a tour?
So yeah, we'll show you around here. So this is our little office here where we're here with Dr. Saviet.
Hey.
And this is where we make the magic happen. Here is the little kind of waiting space before the checkout right here. This is where all the front office staff are up here. And everyone's on lunch right now, so you're not going to see too many people. This is where the checkout is. I think you previously saw where the check-in is.
Yeah.
And looks like everyone's hiding from us here because no one's here. But this is we have a lot of foam rollers that some patients need. Some shoes that are minimalist shoes, which are shoes that are really wide in the front for a lot of our patients. Most people are in shoes that are too narrow. Certainly, if you come here, you'll get a free water bottle. We have, I think, an infinite supply of them. So let's go back and I'll show you where the treatment rooms are. I thought everyone was hiding.
Oh, no.
So we have 6 treatment rooms that are all pretty much set up the same, so I'll show you one of them. This is one of the treatment rooms where we see patients. We have a little light here where we can do procedures, different surgical procedures. This is our diagnostic ultrasound that's set up for a patient. And all of them have connection to our x-ray, our digital x-ray, where it shows up in here. So this is what a typical treatment room looks like. We make them all look the same, so that no matter what room we're in, we know what we're doing and where we're at. Here is a little place where we modify our orthotics, so it has a grinding wheel. Here is something called an autoclave, so where we keep all the sterile instruments, where we make our instruments sterile inside there for the treatments that we do. And then if you look here, this is where the back office staff are. And this is our x-ray machine right here, where we do digital x-rays, and it sends it right over to this computer, and then it sends it into all the treatment rooms so we can have access to that. And this is where we carry a lot of our foam rollers. Orthotics are here because a lot of our patients benefit from different types of braces and orthotics. Here's an example of some diabetic orthotics that have special inserts in the top. Here's different braces that we have here. And there's just a lot of different items that our patients need. Walking boots and different types of pads back there. So this is what we do here in the office in Central Mass Podiatry. We're a typical podiatry. We treat a lot of athletes and a lot of people that are high-level athletes. We have Dr. Feldman who treats a lot of those. He himself is a ultra marathoner and likes to do all these great long runs. Dr. Saviet, who's also with us here now. So we'd love to have you come and visit us here in the office.